G'day guys, Jason Ninja, we're back! HYROX episode 2. What are we doing today, Ninja? Oh, it's a surprise!
You're taking it,
I'll tell you, don't worry. So we're doing burpee broad jumps. We've got to go from here all the way to the door and back. Maybe twice, we'll see how we're going after the first round. Then we run outside, we run to the fence, and then we go into our next exercise. So burpee broad jump, so we start all the way back. All right, Ninja, let's go. So jump, put your hands down where your feet are, down and up. Let's go. Jump, land. Oh, it gets a bit hard on the concrete.
I'm cheating.
Keep going, bro. That's good. Oh. All right, start right from the door. Jump. I don't think they actually do a push-up on the way down. I think you normally just actually like rest. So you just sort of go down.
Got to get your chest on the ground.
Yeah, but you don't have to actually do the push-up. Oh, nearly there, Ninja.
You go.
Oh.
How much is it on the day? 80 metres.
80 metres on the day.
It's like 20.
Oh,
But it's okay.
do you want 2, Ninja?
Yeah.
2 rounds?
What do you think? You want to do that again?
No. Oh, we'll run. Come on, Leo.
Run.
We're running. Up to the fence. Oh, she's rude.
Oh, no, my ankles are seized up.
Good way to wake up in the morning, Ninja.
Yeah. Coco's gurgling around the gardens.
Yeah.
What are we doing next?
All right, next we're into our dead ball slams. So this is our replacement for the ski machine. So, do you want to kick us off, Ninja?
Yeah.
How many do we want to do?
How many?
20?
How many's in the thing?
Well, it's 1,000 metres of skiing.
So we do 10, 10, 10, 10 like that. What do you reckon? Right.
Let's go.
Go.
2, 3, come on, Ninja. Good work. Up. Good work, man. Doing well.
Yeah, I reckon.
That's it. Good. Yep. Up we go.
10's a good amount. So it is a team event that you're training for, so simulating the work.
10, go again.
Yeah. With a mind to build it up, eh?
That's it. What do you reckon? We'll do the whole hour 1 week, Ninja, and we'll do a full HYROX. Get him blowing. Done?
Nah.
Oh, still going. Hello.
2 more.
That's it. Good, man.
Got this.
Good.
Keep going.
There you go, Ninja. Good, man. You're just too strong, Ninja. You're moving the earth. He's moving the earth, Ninja. Look at him go. Let's do 1 more. One more. Oh, let's go.
Come on.
Go for a run. He's gonna love warble. Alright, the last one is a squat throw. We're aiming for this mark up on the wall. How many do you want to do?
5, like that. It's not too hard a thing.
Oh no, I just
Stand back a bit.
There we go. It's actually harder than it looks. Oh no, I missed it.
How many did you do?
I think about 10. Oh. That's in it. Good. Squat and throw. Good man. Oh, standing back a bit further. There we go. It's too close.
How many of these are going to do, man?
On the day it's supposed to be 100, but I don't think we'll do 100. We'll do 30 like we did slams. Oh. That's it, so the legs drive out the arms. So you're not just using your upper body. Get the legs in. Last round.
Looking good, Jace. Look at this specimen. Look at him.
Oh, she's warmed up now, Ninja. Oh man, bring it home. Whack. Finish it off. Alright, let's run. Last run of the day. All the feet.
Feels good, huh?
Feels good.
Wake him up.
Oh.
Is that it?
That's it, I think.
It's a workout.
Quick workout. 7 minutes. Thanks, guys. So,
7 minutes.
HYROX episode 2 this week. So,
Building it up. Building
don't
it
know
up.
what will come with next week. Maybe we'll have to do them all.
Yeah.
We'll see how we go. But thanks, guys. Join in, give it a go. See ya.
Done.